Introducing the Annealeez Gen 4 and the aluminum wheels that come with it. So I wanted to let you know that this is the primary wheel. Goes here. Add this to it and you'll have the standard wheel kit. For the large, here's the large, this would be the SSM. Add that shim to it and you've got a large kit. So you've got the small kit, standard kit, SSM kit, large kit. Easy peasy. You'll get a screw pack with this. This is where, I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, there'll be a little screw in here that sets the timing. So the flipper opens when it's supposed to. Same with that one. Bottom wheel is the same way. Primary wheel. Add one to it. You've got the small kit, standard kit, large kit. Notice there's no set screw for timing in the bottom of this because it's not needed. You'll get different screws in a little screw pack. Come in a little envelope like this. And you'll get an Allen wrench. So you can adjust them, turn them off, turn them on, take them off, take them on, all that good stuff. That's all there is to the wheels. I don't think it gets any simpler than adding a shim to make the slot or groove in the wheels wider for longer cases, shorter for shorter cases. Like this would be for 300 blackout. This would be for 308s. This would be for the SSM kit, like 6.5 PRC. It's a magnum case. Requires a big groove. And then longer cases like 338 Lapua. And you can see these are all, they all match up for the right size. Depending on what your application is. So, we tried to really make it simple. Thank you. So here's the Annealeez Gen 4 machine. This is what it looks like. It's got two motors that bolt directly to the faceplate of the machine. It's got a new controller. Push it, turn it on, push it to turn it off, twist it to set its speed. Spring actuated flipper. Lets the case exit off the bottom wheel. We'll flip this around so you can see it. It's got a solenoid actuated retention ramp, I guess is what we call it. And a micro switch and a controller. Once again, we keep it simple. We don't over-engineer everything here. Try to make it as easy and peasy as we can so it lasts the length of time that you expect out of a Annealeez machine. Basically forever. It's all stainless. All the wires are soldered. See the micro switch here. So I've plugged it in so you can see how the controller works. Press the button, comes on, adjust speed. These probably come adjusted to 50. You can hear it's really quiet. The nut on the back of the wheel comes around, presses that, and it just ejects. That easy. Should last forever. The solenoids, they say will go for 1,000,000 throws. Same way with these little micro switches. No voltage to them, nothing. Let you see it in the back. See, that's all there is to it. I don't know if you can really see it or not. That's all there is to it. So what I always do when I get ready to anneal cases is put the wheels on, of course. Take a case and I set it right there in the annealing position, and I get the torch set up so it points right at it. Notice the angle. So the flame will be pointing straight out. Now I'm not going to anneal a whole bunch of cases on this video, but I'm going to anneal a couple just for the naysayers that complain about, well, you didn't anneal any cases, how do we know it works? And here we go. We'll anneal a few cases so you can see it. So you can see it's got, I think, what would be a perfect anneal to it. You guys may disagree. You can always cook them a lot longer. Turn them orange, turn them red. Remember, when brass starts to turn color, it's at a minimum of 900 degrees. And if you let it get bright red, it's at 1300 degrees. So what you're going to get when you buy one of these is torch, bottle clamp, and all the different wheel assortments, kits, and a bag full of screws. It'll be in a little bag like this. I don't have any of the screws in it. I didn't set up for that. But that's it. It'll be $275, just like all the other machines, no more, no less. Shipped for, shipping's included in the price as long as you ship within the United States. And I think you all will be real happy with this. I want to thank my competition and my customers for absolutely motivating me to make this and do the aluminum wheel conversion. I still like the nylon better, but these aluminum wheels everybody wants, so I just think that the nylon prevented you from over annealing or heat treating, cooking, whatever you want to call it, your brass. And you're going to get the same power supply that we ship with all the other machines as well. So you'll get that too. I hope you like it. They won't have this little black mark on them. I put it there just so I knew when the wheel was gonna, or not the wheel, the retention ramp was gonna flip. I don't know why, I just thought it was kind of cool to watch. And I really can't think of anything else. 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 I really can't think of anything else All the bottom wheels have these O-rings. They're heat treated so you don't melt them. For those that just have to have a torch mounted and don't like the bottle clamp, there's still a hole here. The torch mount is absolutely always going to be on the website, so you can mount a torch there and hook a hose to it. Or if you want, we've put an extra bend in these machines and made it so it was a lot easier to hook a bottle to the torch mount. In fact, I'll set that up and show it to you. So notice we have the machine set up, got some cases in it, got the flame on. Don't know if you can see it in the video, but you should be able to hear it. Anyway, just turn it on. We actually had a case bridge. Oops. See the flame better, I hope. Notice how the torch is hooked directly to the bottle. No propane extension hose needed at all. You can mount it to the machine and have it your way. It's not near as flexible, I don't believe, as putting a clamp on the can, the propane can, and being able to move it. But anyway, you've seen it. In fact, if you guys really are wanting to be crazy, you could mount 2 torches on it. Alright, that's enough of that. One other thing we have, it's not going to ship with every machine, but we have a 50 BMG kit. The machine is capable of doing those. That's what it looks like. There's the case, 50 BMG. Hopefully, you guys will like that as well. Right now, we're just trying to ramp up production. And get everything ready for you guys. So hopefully there won't be too much of a wait. We'll try and post shipping dates as quickly as we can on the website that lets you know what kind of lead time you're looking at when you go to purchase. Thank you. Thank you very much for buying American. I really, really appreciate it, and so does everybody here that works here. Team Annealeez is what I call them. Thank you. Have a good day.